Hi guys, it's Angie with the Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today to share the exciting news that I've been wanting to share. I've had a few messages asking what the heck is happening, what am I doing. These are something I finished. I'll explain my little project here after the news, but I thought I'd give you something to look at. So when I started making backgrounds a couple of years ago, I never thought that I would like abstract or background building, or I love layering obviously and doing that kind of stuff, but when I started making the backgrounds, there's something I've wanted to do with my prints for a long time, or my artwork. And so I've been hoarding them, and I finally decided to let them go out digitally as well. So thank you so much everybody for the support there. I really do appreciate that. But there's something else I've been wanting to do, and this is kind of halfway there. I'm still reaching with the stars with them, but I came across, I've been talking to a few artists, and they've shared their what they're doing as well as what I've wanted to do. What I want to do is I've always wanted to make my backgrounds in wearable art or on print and demand. So I did a lot of research. A lot. It's like, this has taken me a long time, and so I found a couple of places where they do a print on demand, and I will show you those on my phone real quick. I'm just so excited, you guys. Like I said, there's still things I want to do with my backgrounds, but this is the start of it, and I hope you guys will check out the sites that I have chosen to put my work on. I love them. They're really good products, and they're just amazing. And it's so exciting to see my work on wearable, like clothing. I thought from the very get-go, I thought, man, how cool would these look on, my art on wearable items or pencil bags and stuff like that. So, sorry about that, you guys. Anyways, so here is the website. So I will leave the links below. So if you just go down there and you click on it, you'll see my my profile in the Mountain Girl Studio. Please click on the link below. If you use the link below, I make a little bit more commission, so that would help me out tremendously, especially starting out. Don't go up here and start typing it in. If you just follow the link, I'm going to try to spread my link everywhere. They'll always be below my videos. So if you're looking for the link, go there. They'll be on my Facebook group. I don't have a group, Facebook like business page. I'll always have the links there. If you're Facebook friends with me, I'll always have the links there. So you'll always have the links, because it just helps me out to be able to make a little bit more commission. This company is called VIDA, and they're really neat. Here are some of the products, and some of my the sale goes to certain to help certain situations. You can look whenever you click on a product, it will tell you, and you can read more about that. But it's just a phenomenal company, and I couldn't believe I finally found something that I've been wanting to do forever, you guys. And there's bags, and there's purses, and there's masks, scarves, shawls, t-shirts, tank tops. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Let's see if you can see this. Yeah, I've put a lot of my background prints on here, onto the clothing. But if you wanted to take the time and actually look at all of the items that I have up listed, oh my gosh, it's just so fun to be able to make my art wearable. I've wanted to do that for so long. And so that is that one. And the other one is Art of Wear. And what you're going to find here, hold on. Let me get into my account here. And what you're going to find here is, I'm going to try the beanies. I'm not sure if they look really cool, obviously designing them on a beanie. I do want to order some of my product. I didn't get time to do that. I really was trying to push myself just to get these uploaded. And so anyway, so here's notebooks. I thought, oh, I love notebooks. I've been wanting to make notebooks with my prints, but this is a neat way. I'm going to try this out. So I've got several notebooks on there, and then I've got pencil bags, zipper carry-all, And then you can, I've got one bag in there. We'll try that one out for now. But mostly they are all the pencil bags. There's makeup bags. I just thought that it looks really cool on a makeup bag. And I did name all my prints for my product. This one's called the Tide. And isn't that, it's just so cool, you guys. So I picked Art of Wear for the smaller objects, and I picked VIDA Studio, excuse me, for my wearable items. So I really hope you guys will just go over there and check it out. Like I said, please shop through my link if you find anything that you catches your eye for a Christmas gift or for yourself or for Happy Mail. It goes endless. I'm really trying to push myself this year. I'm reaching certain goals and even exceeding those goals, which I feel I've kind of become more of exceeding what I wanted to, but there's always a goal to reach. So I'm always pushing myself. With that said, I want to thank every one of you for supporting me. I couldn't thank you enough. All of my subs, every one of you guys. Thank you so much. It's been, I don't even know how long I've been on YouTube. Between 4 to 5 years. 4 years, I believe. It's been a wild ride, and I couldn't be more happier. I'm glad I'm still going. I'm still pushing myself to get out there. I think that's what we all have to do. We have to work really hard and be humble and appreciate what we have. And yeah, keep reaching for those stars. So with that said, these are some little things that I made. I usually do a Dollar Tree revamp every year with their Christmas items. So last year I revamped some little reindeer. I think they were, it kind of made them really how would I want to say it, layered and like chippy paint kind of a look. They turned out amazing. So this year, I don't know if I'll get any more projects done, but these are their plastic ornaments. So they're kind of flat. They're not completely round. And all I did was did my painting technique on these and made them really make like a mixed media. I didn't know. Like I said, I have to be a MacGyver most of the time to even know where I'm going with what I'm trying to make. So I just painted it like you've seen on the covers, and then did the encaustic exactly the same way. And then on this one is a washer with this glass bead on there, or stone, and then wire, and it wraps up around the back, around the throat of the ornament. And then I stained the top with some alcohol inks, and I made this really pretty hanger. So with some wire and some glass beads, so it kind of hangs like this, you guys. So yeah, so here is, let's kind of see it. There's lots of layers, crackle paint, really cool greens and blues and teals and browns. I love the way the encaustic went on. They're light, other than the washer kind of weights them down a little bit. Like this one's pretty thick. I didn't have 3 of the same size. So I'm just going to give you a quick look at this one. They were a lot of fun to make, you guys. I really did. I'm really having fun doing my technique on all kinds of stuff. Like, I don't know, nothing's safe. A big wall would be fun to do. So there's that one, and this one's the last one, you guys. Just has a bunch of layers and stamping, and like I said, an encaustic. Caustic's so fun to put on there. I think it just adds another fun element to the piece. So yeah, there you go, guys. Again, thank you for everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my project share. I hope you enjoyed my announcement. Again, I hope you please go over there and look at the things that I've worked so hard to get up on those sites. It's been a minute. It truly took me a lot of minutes to get that up and running. So again, thank you everyone. I appreciate all your support, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.